on 2006 Honda Odyssey. Procedure is pretty much the same of all gens. This year, what you're gonna need is Phillips head. You're gonna get these screws right in there. Alright, whoop, sorry, I'm trying to record. And now for those watching, no, my Phillips head does not have a magnet. I know. Please don't drag me in the comments. Get these screws out, 1 and 2. My apologies, this is taking way longer than I thought it would to get these screws out. Now obviously, if you don't have a magnet, you can use pliers or something. Just pop that out. Obviously, whatever that fell wasn't supposed to fall, but mine is broken. Okay, and it was the tail light on the outside. Wow, well, that explains a lot. There's no bulb in there. Okay. The more you know. This is why it's important, y'all. Check this stuff. These are 7443 Sylvanias. I got some funky strobe ones, but make sure you line up the holes. So what I like to do is kind of put these screws in one just to hold it in place. Pop it in there. Put the teeth of grab on. Pop that one in there. Take our trusty Phillips head and begin the process of tightening down. Now after you install them, of course, you want to do a brake test. Have somebody step on the brakes, or you yourself step on them. Have somebody check them. Make sure the lights work or functioning properly. And if you're doing the other side, it's the same process for the other side as well. And as you saw, there was another slot that would be for the turn signal. If you wanted to change that, that's also in the same housing. And that's how it's done. This is where I said it always pays to check. Apparently, this is the burnt switch that I put the bulb in for the rear passenger tail light. It's corroded and burnt to crap. I didn't have any air hammer myself. What I did was used keyless entry system. See that? Flashes the tail lights. And that one wasn't working still. A little investigation revealed. Let's step into the sunlight.